Hello! Magandang hapon.
Magandang umaga. Yes, magandang umaga.
Yes. Kumusta ang panahon dyan sa Saudi Arabia?
Mabuti po. Ikaw?
Ganun din dito sa amin. Mabuti din dito sa amin. Yes.
Good to know.
Pwede na tayong magsalita ng Tagalog. Just a little bit. Right?
You mean should I try to speak Tagalog?
Yes. You can try to speak.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Sige.
Pwede. Kaunti.
Sige.
Kaunti lang. Okay, so ngayon, I will teach you the basic phrases of Tagalog so that you can use these phrases in having a conversation with some people. Okay, so let's start. Okay, in English, I am already leaving. So in Tagalog, that is, do you have an idea about that word?
Ako ay
Okay, aalis na ako.
Wow.
Yes. Okay, continue what you're saying. Can you say that words? Ako ay
already.
Yes.
No, I don't know.
Yes, that's correct.
At least.
Okay, next is, how about this one? Did you try to hear this word?
Kumusta?
Yes. Ano na? What's up? Right?
Ano na?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can say, ano na? What's up? Yes. You can try to use that here when you are trying to speak with your neighborhood soon. Yes. How about this one? It's up to you. It's up to you.
Bahala ka.
Bahala ka. It's up to you.
Bahala ka.
Yes. When I say, for example, talk to you and she said, let's go to the beaches. Then you can say, bahala ka. It's up to you. Yes. Okay, how about this one? Did you heard good job in Tagalog?
No.
Okay, this is the...
Wala po.
Yes.
Galing.
Okay, hindi mo pan... Okay, you can say that with feelings. Galing naman.
My teacher told me galing yesterday. Not yesterday, before yesterday. She told me.
Yes,
galing.
You can say. Yes, you are so galing. Okay, another term for galing is magaling. It is originated or came from the word magaling. Okay, magaling in English is excellent.
Okay.
Yes, magaling. Okay, how about this word? How about take care? Do you know what is take care?
Ingat.
Yes, ingat. Okay, how about I'm sorry?
Patawad.
Okay. Can you see me now?
Opo.
Yes, thank you.
Walang
Okay, how
salamat.
about... Okay, thank you. Salamat po. How about this word? Just a moment.
Sandali lang.
Yes, exactly. Very good. That is the exact translation. Sandali lang. Okay. Can you make a sentence using that phrase? Sandali lang.
Pwede.
Audio Jungle.
Asing. sandali lang. Pwede. Pwede aalis sa CR. Okay.
Okay.
Muna is the name, you know.
Muna. Yeah. Yes, that's true. Okay, Muna.
Yeah.
It's the short name for this one.
Okay, Mona Lisa. Yeah, exactly.
Yes. Yes. Okay, how about this one? When you express this word, okay, just like when you are eating, okay, how can you interpret this in Tagalog?
Delicious.
Yes. When you say, delicious, just like that.
Hindi ko alam.
Yes, this is.
Sarap naman. Sarap naman.
Yes, just like you are very eager to eat the kind of food, then you can say, how about when you say, come here? Come here.
Halikan.
Again?
Ito. Halikan ito.
Okay. It was halika.
Halika ito. Right?
Halika dito.
Halika dito. Sorry.
Yes, because the words you say is yes, that's different.
That's the case, right? Yeah. That's why, because it's two almost the same. Halika and halikan, right?
Yes, exactly. That's almost the same. That's why it makes confusing sometimes.
Yeah. It makes our
Yes.
video more interesting because of this. And because there is like even in the Spanish, there are some kind of words are funny.
Yes, exactly. That's true. Okay, next is
Like
this word.
for example, just a moment, sandali lang. Like ano, it's what in Tagalog, right? But in Spanish, it's a bad word. Ano.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's true.
Yeah.
Okay, how about this one? I like this. I like this.
Gusto. Eto. I like gusto ko ito. Gusto ito.
Yes.
I was about to say gusto ito.
Yes. Okay, how about when you say, how can you say 100 in Tagalog?
Daan. Isa daan. Isa
Yes.
daan.
Isang daan.
Isang daan.
Yes. Isang daan or sandaan. Okay, while 1,000 is?
1,000 libo, right?
Yes, isang libo or san libo. Isang libo or san libo. How about 1 million?
Hindi ko alam.
Okay, that is very easy. You just say isang milyon.
Isang million, like
Yes.
English. Like in Tagalog is sorry, like in Spanish is
Dolyares. Yes, dolyares.
Dolares.
Yes, I know that. That is dolyares. Maybe dolyar came from Spanish, I thought, because
because most of the words actually like gusto.
Yes.
Puede.
Because you know what? Yes, because you know what? We are colonized by the Spanish for 333 years. That's why. How can you imagine that?
They brought the churches and
Cultural traditions. The cloths and other festivals. Okay. Okay, how about this word? When you say let's eat, how can you say let's eat?
Kani. Kain.
Kain. Kain na. When you say let's eat. Kain na.
Kain na.
Yes, you can just emphasize the feelings, just like the padamdam. You know what the exclamatory point. Okay, the exclamatory point. Exclamatory point in Tagalog is that is tandang padamdam. Okay, that is tandang padamdam. Oh, that is tandang. Sorry, tandang. Tandang padamdam. Okay, how about the feelings? Do you know what is feelings in Tagalog?
Hindi ka alam.
This is very important, you know.
Damdamin.
Yeah, damdamin. So how about this one? So okay, how can you say have a good trip?
Hindi ka alam.
I will help you.
Ikaw alam.
Okay, that is maligayang paglalakbay. Yes.
I never could guess that because it's
yes. Maligayang paglalakbay.
Maligayang
Paglalakbay.
Paglalakbay.
Yes. Can you say it again? Can you say it again? Maligayang paglalakbay.
Maligayang paglalakbay.
Yes, that's it. You need to spend a time to recall that word. Okay, village. Village in Tagalog is nayon.
Nayon.
Yes, village in Tagalog is nayon. Okay, that is very important, you know, because you are going to go to the different places, so you need to.
Nayon also means now, right? Nayon.
Yes, that is a noun. That is a noun in Tagalog. Because yes, nayon. Village.
Or
Okay.
nayon. Nayon is now, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
How about when you say congratulations?
Was just listening to that, was editing that video. Like, I forgot.
Yes, this is the English the Tagalog words. Okay, here. Okay, can you say binabati kita?
Binabati kita.
Congratulations. Yes, that's very important when you are trying to say with someone. Happy birthday, maligayang kaarawan. Okay, how about when you say Happy New Year?
Maligayang.
Year.
Maligayang.
Yes, we use other than words, or we use other words in Tagalog for maligaya. So we have another words for that. That is manigong. Manigong bagong taon. Happy New Year.
So even we can use maligayang as well, right? Maligayang bagong taon.
Yes, yes, you can use maligayang bagong taon.
No.
Yes, but in slang word, inom for them is just like this one. Tagay.
Okay.
Yes, it's just like you are drinking a liquor or just like an alcohol. That is tagay. So most of the people in a street place, they use tagay as an interpretation or a description of the word inom.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why if your future father-in-law told to you or tell to you that he wants to tagay with you, then you need to tagay with him.
Okay.
Okay, how about this one? Okay. Bata.
Bata.
That is a
Hindi
child. That is a
alam.
child. That is a child.
Bata. We have a like Indian brand for the shoes, especially shoes like footwears. Like we have a brand called Bata. Actually, it's pronounced differently, like Bata, but it's in English written like that, B-A-T-A.
Yes. But in Tagalog, that is a child.
Okay.
Yes. And the slang word for that in the Philippines is like this one.
Bata.
Yes, but this slang word is not common. We just not use this one, but the common word is bata.
Okay.
Okay, how about this one? Do you know this one?
Cigarillo. It's a smoke.
Yes, cigarettes.
Cigarillo.
Yes, this is. I think this is a Spanish word.
Yeah, that's why I'm reading it like a Spanish.
Cigarillo is just like a Spanish
Cigarillo.
word. Good night to your place because it's evening, right?
No, it's afternoon.
Oh, it's afternoon. What time?
12:36
Oh,
p.m.
12:36 p.m. So it's afternoon in the Philippines. Early evening. It's 5:37. Yes.
Okay.
So that's it for now. Thank you so much. And can you yes, can you greet a little words in other language so that we can just edit this one?
Okay. Shukran jazilan Ustad Joy. অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ আপনাকে जॉय सर आपको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया जॉय साहब आपने मुझे तगालग सिखाने में बहुत मदद की इसलिए आपको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया muchas gracias Senior Joy.
Salamat and thank you so much. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.